Okay, what do you remember about, I had a blank in here somewhere. What do you remember in high school or wherever you have been about what they told you to highlight?
Important things.
Important things, okay? Yes, highlight the important things. So what happens is you end up doing this, right? Okay? Has anyone ever run into that problem? And you think, okay, this is important, this is important, this is important. So what happens when I get all the way down here and do this paragraph? What do I have highlighted?
Everything.
Everything. So nothing ends up being important because everything is highlighted. So that's one of the things we have to talk about in this class is what does that mean? Liam's actually right. Yes, you need to highlight the important things, but figuring out what's important is the trick. Okay? The other question about this business of doing all this highlighting, why are you doing that? Why do teachers tell you to highlight the important things?
So that it would be easier for you to get an idea of what the topic is.
Okay, it's easier for you to get the idea of what's going on, okay? And also, the other point of it is, yes?
You don't have to read through the whole thing to figure out what's important.
Okay, good. That's a good point. You don't have to read the whole thing to figure out what's important. That's a really important part of what we're going to talk about today in this one. There's a third reason, though, that a lot of students don't realize. When you get into in this case, a business marketing class, okay, and this is the interesting thing about these things we're going to be reading. Most of the stuff we are going to read this semester, like I said, this class is called Fundamentals of Reading, but I would like to call it Fundamentals of Academic Reading, because the material we are reading is 99% of it is taken from college